Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Ms. Cat litter box is probably one of the most essential items for any cat owner, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your home's cleanliness and your feline friends' happiness, making it a crucial decision for a harmonious living environment. This review will delve into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Ms. Cat litter box, helping you make an informed choice that suits both your needs and your cat's preferences. Number 5. Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Box. Tired of messy litter box duty? Discover a revolutionary way to keep your cat's space clean with our innovative sifting litter box. It simplifies your routine like never before. Our patented lift-to-sift technology makes cleaning a breeze. Simply lift, shake, and pour for efficient litter maintenance without the need for scooping. Keep your home smelling fresh with built-in microban protection. It actively inhibits odors from kitty litter, ensuring a pleasant environment for you and your feline friends. Feel good about your choice. This sifting litter box is proudly made in the USA using recycled materials, combining convenience with sustainability. Whether you prefer pine, crystal, pellets, or clumping litter, this tray handles it all. For the best experience, we recommend using Arm & Hammer Slide Litter. Designed with your cat's comfort in mind, its large size provides ample space. It's built to be 1.5 times longer than your cat, ensuring they have a comfortable place to do their business. What we like? Simplify your cat care routine with its patented lift-to-sift technology, making cleanup a breeze without any scooping. Its built-in microban protection actively inhibits odors, keeping your home fresh. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to manage litter and prioritize odor control, this is the one for you. What people say? This litter box is very easy to clean. The drawer design makes scooping a breeze. The enclosed design helps to contain litter scatter and reduce odors. It's surprisingly spacious inside, giving my cat plenty of room to move around. Number 4. Iris USA Large Top Entry Cat Litter Box. Introducing a large, top-entry cat litter box designed for comfort and privacy. Its spacious interior accommodates cats of various sizes, ensuring they have plenty of room. This litter box is perfect for homes with multiple cats. The enclosed design and top access help contain messes and reduce tracking, keeping your home cleaner. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this litter box is built with durable, high-quality, and recyclable materials. You can trust its reliable performance for your cat's needs. The innovative top-entry design significantly reduces litter tracking outside the box. It also prevents other pets from accessing the litter, offering peace of mind. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its smooth interior surfaces and removable lid. This makes scooping and changing the litter quick and hassle-free. The grooved lid effectively catches stray litter from your cat's paws. This helps maintain a tidy and organized living space around the litter area. What we like? This option features a top-entry design that significantly reduces litter tracking, keeping your floors cleaner. It also provides added privacy for your cat, making it ideal for multi-cat households or homes with dogs. If you're tired of messy floors and want a more contained litter solution, consider this. What people say? The litter box is easy to assemble and clean. The enclosed design helps contain litter scatter and odor. It is spacious enough for my cat to move around comfortably. Number 3. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box Tray Refills. Tired of the daily litter box chore? Our self-cleaning litter box system does the work for you. Enjoy weeks without scooping, cleaning, or refilling. Experience a fresher home with advanced odor control. These crystals absorb urine and dry solid waste, eliminating odors 5 times faster than traditional litter. Our disposable trays feature a leak-proof plastic liner. This protects your floors from any potential messes, giving you peace of mind. Keep your home cleaner with our 99% dust-free crystal litter. It's designed for minimal tracking, ensuring a tidier environment for you and your pet. We believe your pet deserves the best. Our products are designed with their health, happiness, and safety in mind. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to creating happy, healthy, and safe spaces for pets. Our US-based team is here to support you. What we like? Experience weeks without scooping thanks to its self-cleaning mechanism and crystal litter. The disposable trays with plastic liners offer excellent odor control and leak protection. If you want a truly hands-off approach to litter box maintenance and prefer a dust-free crystal litter, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The litter box is easy to assemble and clean. It has a large capacity, which is great for multiple cats. The enclosed design helps to contain litter scatter and odors. Number 2. Ness Pets Odor Control Large Enclosed Cat Litter Box. Tired of litter tracking all over your home? This enclosed litter box features a hood and a swinging door that effectively contain messes. It helps keep litter inside and prevents spray from escaping. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to its high-polished, non-stick finish. This surface resists stains and odors, ensuring a fresh environment for your cat. Worried about unpleasant smells? It comes with a replaceable zeolite air filter. This filter works to absorb and significantly reduce litter odors. You can feel good about this product. It is made in the USA and is BPA-free, ensuring safety for your pet. Its robust construction is built to last. This large litter box offers ample space for your cat. With its generous dimensions, it provides comfort and privacy for your feline friend. What we like. This enclosed litter box features a two-way swinging door to prevent litter scatter and contains messes. Its high-polished, non-stick finish makes cleaning simple, and a replaceable zeolite air filter actively absorbs odors. If you need a solution for a cat that tends to scatter litter or if odor control is a top priority, this is a great option. What people say. The litter box is easy to assemble and clean. The enclosed design helps to contain litter scatter and odors. The large capacity is great for multiple cats. Number 1. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Legacy Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Tired of scooping? This automatic litter box takes care of waste for you, giving you weeks of freedom from the chore. Experience superior odor control thanks to the crystal litter that absorbs moisture and dries waste. It also comes with a convenient disposable tray. Keep your home tidy with low tracking, dust-free crystals that won't stick to your cat's paws. Say goodbye to messy floors. Designed with a plastic lining for leak protection, the disposable trays make cleanup a breeze. Each tray includes a lid for quick and hygienic disposal. Keep an eye on your feline friend's well-being with the integrated health counter. Motion sensors track usage, offering valuable insights into their activity. With over 25 years of innovation, PetSafe is dedicated to keeping your pet healthy, safe, and happy. Trust us for a lifetime of joy together. What we like. Enjoy hands-free automatic cleaning for weeks, as this unit efficiently manages waste with its crystal litter. It also includes a unique health counter that tracks your cat's usage, offering insights into their well-being. If you value convenience, advanced odor control, and want to monitor your cat's health, this self-cleaning box is a top contender. What people say. The litter box is easy to assemble and clean. The enclosed design helps to contain litter scatter and odors. It has a large capacity, suitable for multiple cats. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.